Hello, it's the 6th day of the week. I'm making myself some tea and opening a beer I got from my cousin. This morning, for breakfast, I'm having a quick and nutritious tuna salad. I hope you watched the previous episode and know what this magic box is. The weather today is perfect for taking out the trash, so let's head downstairs, throw it out and then go for a ride. I'm heading out with my passenger to pick up a former roommate, a friend from the dorm named George.
I don't know.
We went for a ride to the Kampinos National Park to recharge our batteries before the coming week and listen to the sounds of nature.
Ale ładnie jest.
But all good things come to an end and it's time to return. We are now in the center of Warsaw, moving along Jerozolimskie Avenue. There's some road work going on here. After such a good ride, it would be nice to eat something equally good and get back to the dorm to get some work done. Today I started transferring the previously mentioned board to Altium Designer because I want to clone it. Fortunately, you don't have to manually import components that aren't in the program by default. There's an extension where you just type the component name, click add, and that's it. I added the microcontroller and the elements near it, and put a screenshot of the microcontroller pinouts into Figma to make it easier to work with. Components already added to the program are marked in gray in Figma. I haven't added the exact connection between them yet, I'll do that over time. The main goal for now was to divide the board into logical parts: the microcontroller, communication, motor control, and the connectors section. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Lately, I've also been playing around with local LLMs, basically a ChatGPT that isn't hosted on a server in the US or China, but right here on my computer. I connected a model from Google, Gemma 4, to OpenCode. Now I have my own private agent that can help me with many things. It's a very interesting topic. If anyone is interested, I can talk more about it and show how it works in practice. Bye bye.